Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need your Google account and an active Blogger site. Once logged in, create a Google Analytics 4 property and copy the measurement ID that starts with G. Now open Blogger, go to Theme and choose Edit HTML. Make sure you can edit the template safely. Back up the HTML first. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, find the closing /head tag in the template so you can insert the analytics tag immediately above it. This starts the live tracking integration process. You will paste the G tag, JS snippet from your GA4 property into the template. Replace the placeholder with your actual measurement ID so data flows to the right property. If your theme has a global header section, use that. Otherwise, insert the snippet directly above /head. Save the template changes and publish. Then open your Blogger site in an incognito window and load a page to generate 1 or 2 hits. Make sure to check analytics real-time so you can confirm the incoming events immediately. Once the tag is saved, verify success by watching real-time in analytics while you browse the site. You should see your test visit within seconds. After verification, enable enhanced measurement in the data stream and mark key events as conversions so Blogger page views become useful insights. If you don't see data, make sure the measurement ID matches exactly, clear your browser cache, disable ad blockers, and run Google Tag Assistant or the browser console to spot errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.